Let's count it out. Let's talk about like Face ID. Your phone uses ML to recognize you. If you bought a hoodie and now you see ads for sneakers, that's the another example of machine learning. Machine learning also helps in health sector. ML helps detect diseases faster than ever before. And you have the example of self-driving cars. They use real-time learning to avoid collisions. And in the music and video streaming, we use machine learning. Ever wondered how Spotify or YouTube gets you? The machine learning is everywhere, and most of the time you don't even notice. So now the question is, how does machine learning work? Let's break it down how it works step by step. The first thing is data collection. You gather a lot of examples, could be text, images, voice recordings, anything. Garbage in, garbage out. If the data is bad, the model is blind. Training the model. Here is where the magic happens. You feed the data into an algorithm, think a recipe, and the machine adjusts its internal math until it starts to get it. Then the testing and prediction comes in. Now you give it brand new data and ask, hey, what is this? And it guesses with surprising accuracy. It's like raising a child with flashcards and then one day they just know the answer. Let's talk about different types of machine learning. Now, not all machine learning is the same. There are three main flavors here. The first is supervised learning. You give the machine input and correct output. Like this is a cat or this is a dog. The second one is unsupervised learning. You just give input, no answers. The machine groups things on its own. Like these customers shop similarly, things like that. The another type of machine learning is reinforcement learning. Like training a dog, the machine tries actions and gets rewarded or punished and learns over time. Think robots learning to walk or AI beating humans in games like chess or Go. So every ML project starts by choosing the right approach. So now the question is why machine learning matters in 2025 and beyond. So why does this even matter? Because machine learning is the engine behind most modern tech revolutions. Smarter healthcare, more personalized education, safer cities, better climate modeling, and yes, even cooler TikToks. Companies are racing to use ML because it helps them understand people better and make faster and smarter decisions. So let's wrap up. So, machine learning is how we teach machines to learn from experience. It is not just science fiction anymore. It is powering the apps in your pocket, the car you drive, and the world we are stepping into. So, want to go deeper? Subscribe to right now and hit the bell icon